Starting from a traditional machine, Chienfu has constantly upgraded precision machining technology over the past 40 years. Its experience and expertise have established Chienfu's sustainable foundation. Chienfu possessed hundreds of units of machinery that are capable of CNC turning, lathing, milling materials such as aluminum, copper, iron, alloy steel, stainless steel, bakelite, POM, ABS, or Teflon. We specialize in manufacturing sophisticated CNC precision machining, lathing, and milling parts for various applications, including automobiles, 3C devices, medical, automation equipment, and customized screws. Regardless of customers' demand for precision dimensions, the perfect requirement for appearance, or the cost consideration, Chienfu has been able to provide the best services and the highest quality products. We have Shimada 6-spindle lathes and several Citizen L12, along with 100 units of Japanese lathing machines. Chienfu has introduced the industry's first-choice milling machines, such as Brother and Fanuc. Chienfu is your best partner that you can trust. Chienfu provides a one-stop solution for your needs. Services from process discussion, surface treatment, quality control, forming, assembling, to packaging. We vertically integrate customers' needs. In addition, our QA team is equipped with professional quality inspection instruments with the most discreet and professional attitude to become each customer's most solid backing. In addition to the aforementioned processes, Chienfu's research and development design team has extensive experience and machining techniques that can turn customers' ideas into practical engineering drawings and products. With nearly 40 years of experience in turning and milling parts, Chienfu combines traditional ingenuity with modern equipment and design thinking. Chienfu achieves a complete one-stop process and provides the most superior services to customers all over the world. Chienfu, fulfilling all your machining needs.